In this video, we are going to discuss how to set the gradebook in eCompanion. You can access the gradebook at any time by clicking on the Gradebook button located on the Tools menu. You'll be taken to the Gradebook view screen. The sample image will disappear once we create the gradebook. To begin creating the gradebook, click on the Setup Gradebook button. This takes you to the three-step process in designing our gradebook. Click Add New Items to begin step 1. In this screen, we will be entering the names of every grading item. The software will already contain a few default grading items, but you will probably need to add your own. To add a new item, type in the name of the item next to Add Custom Item. Once you have entered the name, click the Add button. You will see your custom item appear in the list along with the default items. Continue adding the rest of your grading items. Before moving to step 2, you'll need to check all of the grading items that you just added. Once this is done, click Next. In step 2, you will see a table with each of the items you selected in step 1, along with a row of checkboxes, one for each unit in the course. We'll be selecting the weeks in which each item will be graded. For example, you may collect homework on weeks 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, so you would check each of the corresponding boxes in the homework table. Do the same for the remainder of your gradable items, and when you're finished, click Next. In the final step, you're going to assign the point values for each particular gradable item. If you use weights in your grading system, you can turn on this feature by clicking first on Save Changes to make sure you don't lose any information, and then clicking on Preferences. There, just click on the Use Weighted Calculations checkbox. Again, click Save Changes and go back to the Assign Points and Weights screen. You should see new boxes pop up for each unit, allowing you to enter in the percentage values of that particular assignment. eCompanion has included a tool to allow you to distribute a certain percentage over many gradable items. To access this feature, click on the Distribute Weight Percentage button. For example, in this sample course, homework is worth 20%, and we have 9 different gradable homework items. So to do this, we're going to first enter in 20% in the percentage entry box, and then we're going to select each of the homework gradable items. Once you have them all selected, click Distribute Weight button, and you'll see the boxes will be automatically filled in with the appropriate percentage. Once you have entered in all your weights and point values, you'll be able to see a running total in the right-hand corner. In this case, you'll see we have 105%. We have an extra credit assignment in week 11. eCompanion allows us to select this particular grading item as an extra credit assignment and will not count it towards the total percentage of the course. To do this, click Extra Credit. A window will pop up. All you need to do is select the item that should be considered as extra credit, and then click Save Extra Credit Selections. You should now see it appear with a plus above the item indicating that it is an extra credit assignment. And you'll also notice the total has been adjusted appropriately, reading the correct 100%. Once you are satisfied that all the values are correct, click Save Changes, and the gradebook is now complete. If you decide to make changes later on, you can always come back to this screen and make changes. Just make sure to click Save Changes before you're done.